Good morning. Welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Tuesday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow trend remains in a downtrend. Today's reading is falling, but unchanged at 0%. Dow momentum rising 6% versus 3%. Dow volatility falling 4.66% versus the all-time high of 9.80%. Dow 50-day net change rising negative 1938 versus negative 2926. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory is rising negative 12% versus negative 15% the previous day. Institutional money flow rising, yet unchanged at 3%. Institutional demand rising 23.80% versus 13.22%. Institutional inventory rising 22.83% versus 10.29% the previous day. Institutional accumulation distribution trend rose to a negative 56% versus negative 77%, the all-time low. Now, Tuesday's trading highlights, as I view them, are as follows. The U.S. stock market looks like it's going to extend yesterday's historic rally from the G7 meeting that occurred this weekend. Banks, insurance, oil, dollar, futures, they're all higher, are the today's market movers. MktMetrics.com statistics are rising from the 60-year lows that occurred last Thursday and Friday. The Diamonds, Dow 30 Exchange Traded Fund, DIA, moving averages 8-day versus 21-day are 94.81 versus 103.80 for a net change divergence negative 8.99, an all-time historic record, versus negative 8.05 the previous day. October Fridays are typically known for selling climaxes, so that might have occurred this past week. Futures and options expire in 4 days. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. As we begin Tuesday's trading, we notice that the Dow outlook is bearish, falling 6% versus 8% the previous day. Stock market outlook bearish yet rising 23.3% versus 9% the previous day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has a probability of closing up Tuesday of 49%. However, this may be muted by Diamonds, DIA, Dow 30 Exchange Traded Fund, has a probability of closing up Tuesday of 3%. Now, beginning tonight, we're going to start posting the results of our trading ideas, so be sure to look for that. You may even want to sign up for a 14-day free trial to get a glimpse of our content over the next 14 days for free and find out what Wall Street's all talking about. Well, we're approaching 9:30. You take care. Good luck and good trading today.